Hello class and welcome to today's recorded video. Today I am going to talk to you about a day trip I took to Florence, Oregon. I have a question first. What is a day trip? What does day trip mean? Think about it for a moment. A day trip is going to a place for one day where you go there and you come back in one day. So it has to be within what you can drive or travel to within an entire day without spending the night anywhere else. It's a fun thing to do in Oregon because we're close to, in Eugene and Springfield, the mountains, the coast, Portland, and Southern Oregon, all within one day of driving. My favorite place to go in Florence for coffee is the Siuslaw River Coffee Roasters, which is in the historic district, Old Town. So that's where you can get your caffeine in the cafe. Caffeine and coffee, of course, or tea. You can have fun at the beach. A lot of people like to fly kites. And if the day is sunny or cloudy, you will have better luck. So sunny when the sun is out and it's bright and there's lots of light, and cloudy where it's cold and there's lots of clouds and it might rain. Shopping and eating is fun to do. There's some great chowder houses for fish and other seafood, and then there's great places to buy things to remember from your trip. You can buy clothes, you can buy souvenirs, and you can buy other things that help you remember that day you took as a day trip to the place you are visiting. The best candy on the coast. Kids love saltwater taffy. It's an Oregon favorite. There's a beautiful hike off of Highway 101. It's easy and it leads to the beach near Florence. It's good exercise and it relaxes me. This trail is called Hobbit's Trail. We had a great time at the Oregon coast. Take a chance to watch this video again, review the vocabulary, and please come to class with questions if you have questions.